Hello everybody. Hey everybody, welcome to this video. In this video I'm talking about Kevin David and how he actually makes his money not using Shopify, but he actually makes all his money on ClickFunnels. But he never talks about ClickFunnels. So I've been studying Kevin David for a while. I even took a Shopify course back in the fall. I've developed a couple of Shopify stores, and I've moved on to ClickFunnels since then, and I want to tell you why. And I want to tell you like exactly right now is like Kevin David, like he promotes his Shopify course and all of his videos are about Shopify, but he doesn't ever promote ClickFunnels because he makes his money with ClickFunnels. He doesn't make his majority on Shopify, so he's not going to tell people what he actually really does behind the scenes. He's a great entrepreneur and his Shopify course is awesome. Like I said, I did take it and it's really good information, and I actually learned a lot about how to do Facebook ads. But I want to talk about like how he, in this little sequence right here, for 1 minute, he talks about ClickFunnels. This entire video is about 30 minutes long, and he's talking about Shopify this entire time, but people will miss this. Like for 1 minute, he talks about ClickFunnels, and he basically tells about how ClickFunnels is the shit. So it's just like, what he says is like, if you're to start a niche store or to start a general store, that's the question, right? But he says like, start a niche store. But what ClickFunnels does, it makes your product availability even more less. What I mean by that, though, let me show you right now. Sorry to get off track. But if you were to have like a product right now, like even if you have a general store, if you have a product that sells really well, all you have to do is basically create a sales funnel around it and create upsells. So this is what ClickFunnels does. When you have a sales funnel, you have your first product that sells right off the bat. And this product right here is going to be actually, this product right here is actually the #1 course on ClickBank right now, and it's a Venus Factor. And so these people seriously make about $100,000 a day with this sales funnel. So I'm not joking. So, but anyways, like the way the sales funnel is broken down to is like there's one product available for sale. They buy it for $37. They're now given an upsell for $79. And then after that, they're given a one-time offer for $19. This makes this entire sales funnel worth about like, well, let's see, we got $40 plus 80 plus another 20. So that's going to be 80, 40. So it's 120, then none of that. So this whole thing is worth $140, right? So it is possible to like spend, if your customer acquisition is $40 and you spend $37 to get your first customer, you can break even on this first sale, and then you make profits right here, and then you make profits here, which is a completely different structure than Shopify. But Kevin David talks about Shopify all day long. All he talks about is Shopify because he sells his Shopify course on ClickFunnels. He makes the majority of his money on ClickFunnels selling his course. He does not make all his money on Shopify. But I want to get straight to this video to talk about what Kevin David says here, just to show you for yourself. And I'll show you right now.
Questions that I get is, Kevin, should I make a general store or should I make a niche store? And the answer to that question is you should make a niche store. General stores, for the most part, are overwhelming to people. And again, the example that I use often is, if you go to the grocery store, for example, and you go and you want to buy some cereal, and if they have 100 different types of cereal, it takes you a lot longer to actually pick out the one you want. Sometimes you don't even buy any at all because there's so many choices you literally just don't know which one you want. That's kind of how I picture a general store on Shopify. The reason that ClickFunnels works so well is because it literally funnels people from one step to the next with one button, one very defined order of operations, so people do not get overwhelmed. If you have a niche store with one type of product, people are much more likely to buy that product than if.
So you just heard it right there. You have one product that you sell, that that sells well, make a ClickFunnel out of it, a sales funnel using ClickFunnels, take your one product, and then make a sales funnel out of it. He just told you ClickFunnels works really well. Like he does not make money promoting ClickFunnels. He makes money promoting his Shopify course, which is actually hosted on ClickFunnels. So when you buy his course, you're going to his ClickFunnels. Kevin David, this guy has ClickFunnels, and his whole course is hosted on ClickFunnels. So a lot of people don't know this. but he makes money using ClickFunnels, because on ClickFunnels you can actually host your own Shopify courses, or any course in that matter. I mean, you can sell a course on sewing, or you can sell a course on like riding a skateboard if you know how to ride skateboards and teach it. And like, but on ClickFunnels, you can have your own online courses. You can host webinars. Like every time you see a webinar and you're attending a webinar, you're in ClickFunnels. Like, but this guy, Kevin David, is talking about Shopify all day long, but he knows damn fucking well Shopify does not make him his money. ClickFunnels does. But he's promoting Sales Funnel. He said he's promoting his Shopify course all day long. So buy my course on ClickFunnels, while everyone else fucks up on Shopify. Only 97% of Shopify stores succeed. That's a fucking huge number to consider. But he's selling his Shopify course. So here's what else I want to get into. That's also a little messed up on his part, is because in this next section I'm going to talk about, or he's going to talk about, is how to have a successful Shopify store, you need to have 5 products a day that you're testing, which means you have to have 5 different ads promoting 5 different products. And he doesn't talk about this in this video, but it costs $20 a day to test a product. So if you're testing 5 products a day, you're spending between $100 and $150 a day just testing products. He doesn't tell you that. He doesn't tell you that right here. He's selling his course, but he's not telling you that you're going to need to spend $100 to $150 a day testing ads, testing products for days on end. It might take 3 weeks for you to find a winning product. You got $3,000 in ad spend to test products with? He doesn't tell you that. He's just promoting his course for $500. If you have the coupon, I believe it's $1,000. If not, I have the coupon. It's Kevin David. It's Ninjas 500. Anyways, let's go back to this video.
If you have, basketballs and plants and chairs and all these things, people are like, what? How are these related? Like, why? They're overwhelmed by it. So create a niche store. So to niche or not to niche, niche is the answer. And so what I mean by 5 products a day keeps the doctor away.
Here we go.
And I'm trying to make these all in a little idiom so you guys actually remember them, because they're very, very important. And I know they're silly, but 5 products a day keeps the doctor away. What I mean by this is the people who are going to be successful with Shopify are people who understand the importance of testing 5 products a day. And what I mean by testing 5 products a day,
testing costs money, right?
Importing them from AliExpress onto your Shopify store, creating a Facebook advertising campaign, with thought about it, not just throwing up any crazy Facebook ad campaign, but creating one, with targeting interest that makes sense, creating Facebook ad campaigns that, have a lot of.
So there you have it. He just told you need to test 5 products a day. Just because you have a Shopify store does not mean you're going to be successful. Like he's telling you right now, you still have to test 5 products a day at $20 to $30 in ad spend. He doesn't tell you that how much you got to spend. Most people will say you got to spend $5 a day. Like, just no, dude. You seriously test a product with $20 right off the bat. If it doesn't sell or whatever in the first day, if you don't break even or whatever, then they say ditch that product, and then you just burn through products all day long. But he's telling you right now that you need to test 5 products a day to be successful with a Shopify store. But you don't have to do that. If you have a product that's already selling, just take that one product, take it out of your even if it's a general store or niche store, it doesn't matter. Take your best selling product, make a sales funnel out of it, and using ClickFunnels, make that your first product for sale. And then once the person buys it, you make an upsell behind that in the sales funnel flow. So, but he doesn't talk about this, but you know what? I mean, Kevin, it's all about hype. You got people like Kevin David who, don't be wrong, his course is good. I will say his course is good. I mean, it's a great start to start. If you're going to start a Shopify store, yeah. But what he doesn't tell you, what no one else tells you this, is in order to be successful with any online business, you need to have an existing audience. If you don't have an audience on Instagram or YouTube, you don't have anyone to sell to. That's why you're busy running ads, trying to find people to buy your crap. So, but anyways, I hope it's not crap. I hope people are putting out some quality stuff. So that's the whole point. Because if you're gonna have, if your customers are waiting 3 to 4 weeks for their products, it better be high quality stuff. So, but anyways, I know just getting into Shopify myself, it was selling stuff from China is not my thing. I like to do information products. That's why I'm into ClickFunnels. But I'm studying, just kind of seeing what Kevin David's up to. I haven't watched his channel in a long time because I'm not in Shopify no more. I'm in the ClickFunnels. So anyways, Kevin David tells you right. He tells you right here, ClickFunnels is what it takes to make a success. And if you don't believe that, here's another thing I got for you. On my last blog post on my webpage on Facebook, Entrepreneur Breakthroughs, my latest blog, and this article right here is actually from the Shopify blog itself, and it says why every Shopify store needs a marketing and sales funnel. Now, they don't say Shopify does not say ClickFunnels in particular right here, because ClickFunnels is another brand. There's about maybe 2 or 3 other softwares out there that do create sales funnels, but so they're not going to say ClickFunnels right here. But ClickFunnels is the #1 sales funnel software on the market right now, and you can get it as far as low as like $97. So I mean, and it's the most highly converting sales funnel there is. So all you would have to do to have your own ClickFunnels or own profitable ClickFunnels sale basically is use this model. Like now, this model right here, like depending on your products and your prices, they will be different, of course. But you know, the best-selling product on ClickFunnels right now is actually a flashlight, and people don't know that, but I'm in the know. So I mean, ClickFunnels, the best-selling product right now, like I said, is a flashlight. The very first product, they have an advertisement that has the flashlight, and then they have the flashlight for sale right here. And I don't know exactly the right price or what it was, but they have a flashlight as the first product. The next product is batteries, flashlight batteries, because people need batteries for the flashlight, so they sell it as their second product in the sales funnel. And then the third product in the sales funnel is actually a flashlight case. So they sell like, you know, but I mean, this funnel right here is for this product, which is Venus Factor. So I'm just saying, like, this is the structure of what it does. I don't have a graphic for you right now, but that's what a sales funnel does. It basically breaks down the whole process of, and this also eliminates the abandonment cart issue with people putting too many products in their cart, and then they see the huge price, and then they decide not to buy because they don't want to buy $112 worth of clothing, whereas they might have bought just that one shirt, you know, for $20, and then you sell them some socks on the back end. You know what I'm saying? So like, you know, it's a big abandonment cart thing. So that's another whole topic. But right here, ClickFunnels, and Kevin David says it himself, ClickFunnels works really well when you have a product. But he doesn't promote ClickFunnels because he does not make his money with ClickFunnels. So anyways, just some knowledge for you guys. I know a lot of people out there are, you know, struggling trying to make some money online. But I'm just calling this guy out, dude. Like, he has a great Shopify course, but I mean, he's not telling you that you need. He's telling you, yeah, you got to test your products, 5 products a day. But he's not telling you that's going to cost you $100 a fucking day. You know, I'm going to spend $500 a week, $700 a week on testing, you know, testing products and ads. $700 a week. Like, I don't have $700 a week to test products. And so if that's your problem, if you don't have a product that's already selling, well, just find a product that already is and funnel hack those people. So, for instance, going back to this issue, not this issue, but this example, you know, instead of selling, like, now this is Venus Factor. It's a weight loss for women, right? It's the best product selling on ClickBank right now. But let's just say you're selling dog collars. You know, first you sell a dog collar, then you sell a dog leash, and then you sell a dog harness, you know, and, you know, instead of people putting 18 products in their cart and not being able to afford it, you just give them 3 products to sell. And that's what Kevin David even tells you in this video. Like, you give people less choices. So, but I'm going to keep this video short. I hope everyone likes it and found some value from it. And if you need help, I am registered with ClickFunnels, and I'll help you build your own funnel. And I'm all down about that. So I'm all about helping you entrepreneurs make it. And I know the struggle, and I don't want to see people get screwed over, because, like, I've wasted seriously thousands of dollars using Kevin David's course. And, like, you know, I built like maybe 5 Shopify stores, and one of them could have done really well if I stuck with it. But at the time, I didn't really think about, like, keeping the business around for 3 years, like what you really should be doing if you're going to be starting from scratch with Shopify. But it's a lot faster to be successful if you just use ClickFunnels, because you just find a product that's already selling, such as a flashlight, because I'm already telling you that answer. You sell a flashlight, make a sales funnel out of it, and then just model what's already working for other people. You don't need to test products. You find who's already selling the product you want to sell and model them. Like, if I want to do weight loss, I would do this. Like this would be my first product would be $37. I would do an upsell for $79 in the second product, and then I would upsell them again on like some kind of membership program for $20 a month to join my website or whatever. So I mean, like, just funnel hack people that are already doing it. So if you need help with ClickFunnels, I am an affiliate for ClickFunnels, so you can definitely sign up to them using my affiliate link, and I will always help you out with your sales funnel. That's part of my free training to anyone who signs up under my affiliate link. So if you have any questions when it comes to building a sales funnel, let me know, and I'll even build a sales funnel for you. So anyways, I'm going to keep this video not as long as it already is, and I'll talk to you guys and girls soon. Thanks a lot. Appreciate it.